This chapter will involve charging the vehicle. So there's two parts that have to be charged, the battery and the hydrogen system. As for the battery, it's pretty easy. You're given a nickel metal hydride battery and a USB-C charger. Plug the charger into the battery and plug this into any USB-A power up. And there you go, it'll charge in a couple of hours. The more complicated charging process is charging the Hydrostiks. The Hydrostiks are the little cartridges that hold the hydrogen. And this is the hydrofill unit. The hydrofill unit is a part that actually creates the hydrogen and stores it inside the Hydrostik. So we have to first power it on with these two included power strips. First thing we got to do is fill it up with deionized water or distilled water. Either or works. You can see there are two openings. We need to fill this side up to this plastic ledge right here. Of course, be very mindful to not get any other electronic components wet, so be very careful on this stage. For demonstration purposes, I will not fill it up. But if you're trying to fill up the whole thing, fill it up into this ledge right here. Okay? Now the unit has been filled up. What we got to do next is close it up and apply power. So we simply plug in power into the rear of the unit. You can see right here, plug it in. And the unit will light green. Green means the unit is operational. One thing to keep in mind, if you're using a fresh unit, the manual recommends keeping water in it for at least 30 minutes so the water flows throughout the whole unit. And now once it is green, that means you can plug in a Hydrostik. You push it in and screw it in. This means that the unit is now charging. One thing to notice is that it will bubble up and make very loud buzzing noises every now and then, about a couple of hours. This is normal behavior. Although keep this in mind, because if you don't know about it, it probably will scare you. And this small reservoir that's empty will fill up with water eventually. And if it fills up, the machine will stop. So what I would recommend is, whenever this part gets overfilled, try to get a syringe to remove the water. The excess water, and you'll be able to continue operating it as if nothing ever happened. That is how to operate the hydrofill unit with the Hydrostik so you can charge your hydrogen system. Another thing to note is that when the Hydrostik is fully charged up and you try to unscrew it, you may get a very loud buzzing noise. This will be excess gas escaping. That is normal operating behavior.